welcome back to my channel. Having a dry scalp during winter is a very common problem. With 3 minimal ingredients, this is the best hair mask for dry scalp. Just take 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon black pepper and 1 tablespoon honey. That's it. Mix it well and your hair mask is ready. It is so simple and easy yet so effective. I like to comb my hair before applying the mask and also like to massage my scalp a little bit. I came across this hair mask few years ago as my scalp gets very dry during winter's time. It's time for the application. Curd and black pepper helps to scrub and exfoliate the scalp, whereas honey moisturizes the scalp. This mask is only for your scalp, not for your hair length, so do not apply it there. For better results, keep it for 30 minutes. Going to rinse my hair with cold water to remove the hair mask and then washing my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner. After pat drying my hair, I like to apply generous amount of leave-on hair serum into my hair just to add some extra hydration and glow to my hair. I don't at all use any heat tools to dry my hair. I let it air dry. Right after one wash, you are going to see visible difference in your dry scalp.
Wow!
This was my winter hair care secret. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.